Hi friends, have you ever passed a day without single thoughts in your mind? I think no, neither any of us has this type of day. Friends, thinking is a non-stop process. Thinking is a good, but overthinking is harmful. Today each of us have an issue of overthinking. Thoughts run in our mind by overthinking stuck up our head, confuse us for taking any action. Overthinking also affects the IQ level and happiness too. It is difficult for us to stay at least 10 to 15 minutes peacefully. Expert says there are around 70,000 thoughts came in our mind every day, out of which 95%, friend, 95% are repetitive and useless thoughts. Thinking things truly is good, but overthinking is always worst. Friends, today we find out how to stop overthinking and be happy. First, meditation. Friends, meditation daily can help in focus and concentration on things. It also train our mind to fight overthinking. Regular practice of meditation help in decreasing anxiety, increase happiness and relax the mind. Second, accept the problem of overthinking and breathe more. Friends, if you think overthinking grab your happiness and disturbing in taking right decision, then accept it and work on it. You have to accept you are overthinking. The first easiest thing one can do is breathing more and long, which will relax and connect one to present moments. Third, writing. Writing may also help in reducing overthinking. It can be a powerful tool for getting a solution. Write down the thoughts, then shortlist the fruitful and found the solution. Engaged brain in writing and learning may also reduce anxiety. Writing can help in slow down the mind and structure the information going on in your head. Fourth, think positive. Instead of thinking about what may go wrong, start to focus on the list of things may go right by taking action. Friends, it is important. We have to control our mind by thinking positive. Focus on negative may also have the chance to lose possibility and opportunity we have. Fifth, stop being perfect. Many people have a tendency to be a perfect, which creates overthinking. They also try to catch the things which are contingent and non existent by thinking and thinking. Someone has truly said, no one is perfect, everyone is human, and human can make mistakes. Sometimes timely completion of work is more important than stuck the mind in overthinking by wasting time. Be confident about what you have taken a decision. Sixth, listen to music. Turn on your favorite music and listen. This may bring one to a happy time. But remember, sad songs and music which remind worst moment, avoid it. Listen to some uplifting music which make us busy and help in stopping overthinking. Seventh, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is focusing all thoughts on present only. Friends, once again, thinking thoughts is the great, but overthinking result in depression, exhaustion, and anxiety. Friends, hope the ideas may help to minimize overthinking and make you happy. Thank you.